Okay, everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I made some delicious homemade chicken spaghetti. That's right, I made some chicken spaghetti casserole for me and my family. It's a big pan, but I'm gonna show y'all how I made this chicken spaghetti in my oven. Y'all, when I tell you it's delicious and it's tasty, see the chicken? See all that yummy goodness? So let's go ahead and let's get into this video so you too can make your family some delicious baked chicken spaghetti casserole. So I will be using a rotisserie chicken. I'm just gonna shred the chicken off. Okay, so let's get our pasta water started. I have a pot, I have some water in it, and I'm going to add in about a capful of, or a tablespoon full of olive oil, or whatever type of oil you got. You can also use butter or margarine, okay? Next, I am going to add in some chicken bouillon powder, or you can use plain salt if you like, okay? Just something to add some flavor to these noodles, okay? Now I'm going to add in my spaghetti noodles, and these are thin spaghetti. No, I am not going to break these spaghettis in half, but I am going to cook them until they are al dente. No, al dente doesn't mean done. I don't know where some people get that concept from, but this means that they are partially done. So whatever type of noodles you choose, go according to the box. These noodles right here, I will cook for about 6 to 8 minutes, okay? So after they finish boiling, we're gonna move on to the next step, but I don't have to break. Remember, the noodles will cook down, okay? So into a skillet, I'm going to pour me a small amount of olive oil, enough to saute me some vegetables. I'm going to allow this oil to heat up real quick. Now I am going to put me some onions and bell peppers into the skillet. And for the amount of spaghetti noodles that I use, you can use one bell pepper, one medium-sized bell pepper, and one medium-sized onion, okay? And if you don't like bell pepper, you don't have to use it. If you want to use bell peppers, onion, and celery, then go ahead. So I am going to saute my vegetables, the bell peppers and the onions, until they become nice and softened. So this is going to take me about 4 to 5 minutes, okay? Okay. So I want to heat up my chicken. You don't have to heat up your chicken, but I'm going to place my chicken alongside my vegetables, and I'm going to toss them in this skillet just to heat it up. Okay? And to warm it up, because I want everything to get a little seasoning, and I'm gonna add some seasoning to this, okay? So the seasonings that I'm going to add is, I'm gonna add in some garlic powder. This is gonna be some delicious chicken spaghetti, y'all. Okay. And for the amount that I'm gonna add in, I'm probably gonna add in about a half a tablespoon of it, okay? And I'm going to add in some Nature's Morton seasoning. You can use whatever all-purpose seasoning you like, okay? Add in about 3 teaspoons of that. And of course, y'all know my favorite, your girl. What am I going to add? Leave it down in the comment section. If you've been watching my channel, you know, black pepper, black pepper, black pepper. That's right, some seasoning salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder. You can add some onion powder if you like, but that all-purpose seasoning that I'm using, it has basically all of those ingredients, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead, y'all. I'm gonna stir this in, get this well incorporated, and then we're gonna move on to making the sauce for our chicken spaghetti. Y'all, I can't wait. I'm so ready to taste this. I can't wait till it is done. Ooh, don't make no mess like I just did. Okay, so here in a large pot, I have some milk. And I'm going to add in some Velveeta cheese. This is that small box of Velveeta cheese. All I did was just cube it up. And okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to allow this cheese to melt in this milk. I'm not going to hold this camera so y'all can watch it melt down. But what I am going to do is I'm going to come back when it starts to melt, okay? Okay, so I added in some more cheese. I added in some of this triple cheddar. And this is 8 ounces. I added in the entire bag. I thought I was recording it, but obviously I didn't have that record button on, y'all, properly, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to get ready to add in some cream of chicken and mushroom, okay? So, and this is how many ounces the can is, okay? And I'm going to add in this 10.5 ounce of Campbell's cream of chicken and mushroom, okay? Let me show it to you again. That's 1 can. And then I'm going to add in the 2nd can of cream of chicken with herbs. And it's the same amount of ounces. So you can use a can of cream of mushroom, a can of cream of chicken, 2 cans of cream of chicken. It doesn't matter. Okay, we're going to mix that in as well. And we are going to mix in some Rotel. I'm going to use 1 can of original Rotel, okay? Make sure you get all the ingredients out, okay? So that's 1 can. And then I'm going to add in the 2nd can, and I am using mild diced tomato and green chili. So that's the mild flavor. So that's 2 cans of that. We're just gonna mix all this together, y'all. I bet y'all like, and this chicken spaghetti, yep. So, next I'm gonna add in my chicken. I'm gonna add some seasoning. Okay. I know I put seasoning on my chicken, but we're gonna put some seasoning in here too. Some of the same seasoning. Okay, if it gets thick, y'all add some chicken broth, okay? I'm gonna add in some chicken bouillon, okay? A little black pepper goes a long way because you want to have some flavor. I'm gonna add in a little garlic powder. And I don't have to add in any salt because y'all know that chicken bouillon got salt in it, okay? But taste it to see if you need to add, you know, a little dab of salt or whatever you like. But I'm not gonna add any more because y'all know that chicken bouillon got salt in it. Okay, so I got that all mixed up and stirred in together. Now I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add my chicken in here, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to mix my chicken in with the sauce. And y'all, like I stated, if it starts to get thick, when you can't stir it, add you a little bit of chicken broth, okay? Because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add in just a little bit, about I said about 6 ounces of chicken broth, okay? If you need a little more, then add a little more, okay? Because you got to get it stirred in and mixed in there. You don't want it to be too thick that you can't mix your spaghetti noodles in. And then we got to turn around and we got to bake this in the oven, okay? Okay, so Let me get my chicken broth, y'all. Okay, so I got my chicken broth. Like I said, I poured it in this can because it got that mushroom in it. Maybe a little bit will come out. I don't know. But I'm going to pour about a half a can in there to start out with. To mix it in together. If y'all ain't never had chicken spaghetti, you need to go ahead and make you some. Oh, that look like that'll be enough broth. Y'all see how it got thinned out real quick. But if it's still thick, y'all know to add you a little bit more, okay? Just start out with a half a can. Some people put mushrooms in here. I'm using that cream of mushrooms, so I still had that mushroom flavor, and it had some mushrooms in it, which I don't have any mushrooms anyway, but if I had some, I would have put it in there. And yes, y'all, this is my first time making chicken spaghetti, but I'm following the recipe according to what I've seen online. And I did just taste my sauce before I put the chicken broth in it, and ooh, y'all, that is so delicious. Like, it's really good. Okay, so now I got this all mixed and stirred up. Now I need to get it in the pan and mix it up with my noodles, okay? Okay, everybody, so I have my noodles in my pan, and what I'm going to do is I am going to pour my sauce over my noodles, and I am going to mix it in together, okay? Y'all see how that yummy, yummy goodness? Yep. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my noodles and just mix everything together. Like so. So that's all you have to do, y'all. Is just mix your noodles in. You can get you a big spoon, whatever you like, to mix everything together. I'm gonna get this mixed in, and then we're gonna move on. Okay, cooking with TK. Chicken spaghetti casserole. Baked chicken spaghetti casserole. All right, y'all. Okay, so I have it all panned up and mixed up together. I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over the top. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm telling y'all, it's gonna make it taste really, really good. It's gonna amplify that flavor. This is some good stuff. Oh my. Okay, now I'm gonna add me some cheese on the top. I'm gonna add some mozzarella, y'all. Mozzarella, I always get that cheese pull that everybody like. And you know that I'm giving this to my nieces and my nephews, and y'all know kids. They gonna love some cheese pull, so. Because, you know, I got one daughter, she don't eat it, but mozzarella and Parmesan. And because I got that Velveeta and the other cheese, she not going to eat none. But this is really delicious. Like, she don't like cheese. Something wrong with that. Okay, so now I got that mozzarella on there. I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some more of my shredded cheddar cheese to the top too, y'all. Like so. This that triple cheddar. So it's, you know, different kinds of cheddar, mild, sharp, and white cheddar. And then we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna bake this for about 20 minutes, 15, I'll say about 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. Basically until the top is nice and golden brown. Okay, y'all. And I'm gonna bake this at 350 degrees. I'm not gonna cover this up. There's no reason to cover it, but if you want to cover it, you can, okay? But I'll be back when it's done so I can show y'all my finished product, okay? Okay, everybody, so my chicken spaghetti is done. It is out of the oven. And y'all know I like to get a little crunch, cheesy crunch on the top of anything that I bake, and I put some cheese on it. But it still got that cheese pull. So I got a spoon to cut into this corner for y'all so that y'all can see it. Ooh wee. Look, y'all. It's not dried out. It's cheesy. It's not too liquidy. Y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Ooh, woo. That's what you call some chicken spaghetti. See that? Ooh. They are going to enjoy this chicken spaghetti, y'all. I'm finna eat me some after it cool off. Go ahead and put me some up. Let these kids enjoy their chicken spaghetti. Y'all know that. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Y'all see that chicken? Stay tuned to my channel for another great video. Peace. Have a great day. Cooking with TK. We made some delicious chicken spaghetti casserole. Thank you.